Understanding libraries and quick access in Windows. There are two features in File Explorer designed to save you clicks, and most people use neither properly. Let's fix that. Quick access sits at the top of the navigation pane. Windows automatically lists frequently used folders and recent files there, which is convenient but noisy. The better approach is to pin manually. Right-click any folder, choose Pin to Quick Access, and it stays permanently in an order you can drag. You can turn off the automatic entries and folder options if you prefer a clean, curated list. Libraries are a different idea and quietly powerful. A library is a virtual folder showing the contents of several real folders at once. So a photos library can display pictures stored on your main drive, on an external disk, and in a cloud folder, all in one view, with unified sorting and search. Enable them by right-clicking in the navigation pane and choosing Show Libraries.